Here at Woodbine, you have amazing teachers and educators and school leaders who work hard each day to provide each of you what you need to realize your incredible, unique potential. Your ELA achievement exceeds the state average by 18 percentage points, and your math achievement exceeds the state average by 27 percentage points. Congratulations to each of you.
Educators have the most important job in our country because they have the responsibility of preparing all of you for a bright future. Entertainers have Emmys, have Oscars, in science and medicine, Nobel Prizes. But our educators, who have this most important job of all, they haven't had that kind of a celebration. And the people at the Milken Foundation set out to change that. 39 years ago, a man named Lowell Milken created an initiative to recognize outstanding educators, and it's called the Milken Educator Award. And before we leave, an educator at Woodbine is going to receive this national award. The Milken Educator Award goes to elementary principal Jill Ritter.
I had no clue this was going to happen, but it doesn't happen without all of you. We have the most amazing team here at Woodbine, and I am so honored and glad to be the principal here and hope that I get to work beside you all for many years to come.
The opportunity to add her to the Iowa Milken Educator Network is super exciting, especially hearing about personalized learning and some of those things. So hopefully helping her have a voice in the state and advocating for the amazingness they're doing at Woodbine, that would be one piece of advice I would give her, is share your story, share what you're doing here that's so excellent so we can empower other educators and schools to be just like this one.
Well, Ms. Ritter, I am so happy that this award went to you. I couldn't be happier for anyone else. You are awesome, and everyone around here loves you.
I wouldn't rather have anyone else as my principal.